Ka school ba nehu leng ba katnat cultural and creative studies kala penlong ya kata masa lekmen ha ke jingdap basan posnem jong ketika school ba ha ka arpuai terik urisau arajar arpuar ha gane ke jing rakhe ya ka lengku dap snem basan po jong nehu lailam do Professor Desmond Karmo Plang ubade head department ha ka jing don lang jong pro vice chancellor Professor Henry Lamin Kumukongsan ban peli ya ketika masa ha gane kata masa balik kemen ni ke jingdap basan posnem jong school ba Katanat Cultural and Creative Studies kalapania iki program ki bapher ha ka balawan bani simbenta lagi kena pule jong ketika school ba ki batip lagariti lajong bat ki sap kerpang ki bal idol play ha kita ki noi simbenta ha ka golden jubilee ki kentup ki kena school jong baro ki jaj benriu ki badan hatan chatei lammingi ki ba kentup ru ya ki noi ka school ba nehu
Day balang dime PE nakapop pajingsya nadu menkulong hakan yamra kipor kahinin ngas ngotu kani kakam jongpi kapdon jingkamen limni jing isen Henry kamut yang unu wipat unong train but ya pertejonga lat don lepa kajaka palatho but ya ka ngam hukum pismo thu ngam hukum ya pi khap laki but yo ya ka durmat jonga
is organizing as part of the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Nehu. We have our first program in the month of August on World Folklore Day, that is on 22nd of August, where we have organized an exhibition of paintings, sculptures and prints that were done by students of our departments. It was a very successful program, I'm happy to say, and this is the second one that we are organizing in connection to the Golden Jubilee celebrations. I would also like to welcome Professor Patel from MS Baroda. Welcome, sir. And I would like to tell you that we have a colleague in our department, an assistant professor who is also a product of MS Baroda. This program is being organized specifically to showcase the different talents that we have in the university community. Therefore, we made attempts to contact faculty members, members of the non-teaching staff.
To be displayed in this stage, but I think what you have tried from the Department of Cultural and Creative Arts, I think by this month you have already shown this is a second time for this program that has been conducted. Time and again, and just to make a remark, can we see that music should take an important part in this part of our country, because music has got a very big boundary. It can pacify any happenings in our day-to-day life. It can make us happy, it can make us cheerful, it can make us really change that culture has no boundary with it. While standing here in front of you, I was expecting that many of our boys and girls who are in this campus should witness and should enjoy it. But I don't know what is the reason. Later on I realized that there is another program that we want in the multi-use convention hall. Anyway, I think the message will go to them. I should not speak too much. My background is to study the various culture, the various traditions, the various languages, and the various activities of this vast country. I admire our great country, India, which has embraced so many things in which the world sometimes could not understand how we survive and how we live together. Our country has got many languages, many cultures, many religions, food habits, dress, dancing, song. I think very rare in many other countries. Even if you go to some developing country, you will not find that country where we really have so many things.